I will tell you the best way to use Google Trends for your blogs or for your YouTube or any other, even if you're doing a marketing research or anything related to content and you're looking for trending topics, this tutorial is for you. So we will be using Google Trends and we will learn how to explore, how to use Google Trends for our productivity to increase viewers, especially on YouTube. And if you have a website, then how to get the traffic for the current trending topic. So here in the Google, I'll type Google Trends and I'll click on search, and here we will find Google Trends, trends.google.com. So what I would recommend to make this as the bookmark, or later I'll let you know what exactly. So just we need to click on trending now first. Now the moment you click on trending now, and then we need to go to real-time search trends. Now in real-time search trends, go for the category. So if you are into entertainment category or tech category, you can check the current trending topics. Now the catch is you also have to look for the graph. Is it going down or is it going up? So you should work on those trends which is going up. So there could be a possibility that that trending has already on peak and now it's getting down. So there is no use to work on that. So here you can see the graph, whether it's worthy enough to work on that. All right. So in the real-time trend, you can always change the country and then you can go with the category. This is the first thing. And to explore more topic, and I would say if you are a YouTuber and you're looking for content, especially the content which is trending, then go to explore. All right. And change the country wherever you want to. Let's say if I want United States, or let me just select, I'll just select United States. Here you can change past 7 days, and I would say past 30 days, let's say. All category you can change into your category. So let's say if I'm looking for real estate or travel, I'll go with arts and entertainment, or I'll just go with, let's say, travel. So here in travel, I am looking for, if you're running a website, you can get it, the web search. And if you want to change it to YouTube search, you can get a lot of topics, especially people are searching on YouTube. And you can also see the rise on that. All right. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.